Move over Google Chrome, move over Mozilla Firefox. Microsoft Edge is the new king of web browsers for Windows platform. Let me tell you why Microsoft Edge is the new king of the web browsers. If you look right here in Task Manager, I have Task Manager opened up here, just over my black background here of the Windows Explorer. You can see Google Chrome and you can see Edge, both of them running in the background on my computer currently on. You can see how much CPU usage. You can also see how much memory usage both of them are taking up. Here we can see that Chrome is actually taking up even a little bit more, about 50, 60, 70 megabytes more memory than Edge is. So anyway, but still they're both pretty reasonable, around 500 to 600 megabytes of memory. It's not bad, but Edge still is taking up less memory even with just the simple basic test. But here's where it gets really interesting. Let me actually pull up the browsers. If I pull up Chrome, I just showed you here in the Task Manager, Chrome is taking up 5 to 600 and about the same CPU usage, but look at how many tabs I have open. Only 2 tabs with one site. Nothing's going on the site, and I'm taking up 600 megabytes of my memory. If I look at Microsoft Edge to see what's open, you can see that I have about 10 or 20 different tabs open. I had Spotify running not too long ago. I also have the same Twitch page open as well, so multiple tabs. But if we go back to our usage, we can clearly see that Edge is still now just eking out a few megabytes higher, but with multiple more tabs open than Chrome. So if you're a power user like me, or you really like to have a lot of tabs open, or you find yourself alt-tabbing a lot between different applications, you're a gamer, you like to have Chrome open in the background, but you don't want to miss that extra FPS and lose like a duel that you may have won had Chrome not been running. This is where it could be, a good incentive to switch over to Microsoft Edge. Let me show you here in the settings though, because it does take some setup for you to get this sorted out the way that Microsoft Edge would need to be in order for you to get those benefits. So you're actually going to go to these 3 dots in the top right hand corner here. You're going to go over to this settings button here, and from there you're going to go on your left hand side to system performance, and from there you're going to look at optimize performance, and from there you're going to look at all these settings, and pretty much all of them you're just going to go ahead and turn on. These are various different settings that will turn on efficiency mode. It will sleep your tabs for you. That's the main advantage that's happening right now, is that after 5 minutes of inactivity, these tabs are actually going to sleep, which Chrome, from my understanding, doesn't really have that feature, or maybe it does, but to me it always seems that Chrome is hogging a lot of resources, and so far in my testing, Edge seems to be, with this new efficiency mode, really showing off as the strongest web browser in 2023. Not to mention, Edge also supports extensions, which is another wonderful reason why a user who's switching from Chrome can comfortably switch over to Edge, because they're still going to have access to all the great extensions that they may have been using in Chrome. So anywho, I hope that this was useful. Let me know in your use cases if Edge has proven to be a better browser, or if you still love Chrome, or maybe there's another browser that you prefer over all of them. Let me know in the comments. Have a good day. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other. Cheers.